video, we're gonna study about computers shortcut key. Shortcut keys. What are shortcut keys? Shortcut keys are very helpful while we are doing some practical in some application software or using computer for practicals. Shortcut keys are mainly used with control key, alternate key and shift key. Whereas there are function keys which are directly helpful for doing some shortcut tasks. Now let's start and learn all the shortcut key.
Computer shortcut key. There is no doubt in saying that computers have become a very most important part of daily life. If you are frequent computer user, then you must know about the keyboard shortcut keys. Basically, a computer shortcut is a set of one or more keys that invoke a command in software or an operating system. So, you can increase your productivity by invoking command with a few keystroke. Otherwise, it will be accessible only through a menu, a mouse, or through any other aspect. A computer shortcut keys function quickly and make your work easy. Now, here is some shortcut keys which help us to complete our task. The first one is Alt plus F. Alt plus F help us file menu option in the current program. If you are working in some application software, then this shortcut key will help you to open a file menu option in the current program. The current program means in which you are creating a file. Let's do this. Just press Alt plus F. Now you can see after pressing Alt plus F, we directly came at the menu option of Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the next is Alt plus E. Alt plus E added option in the current program. Like we are working in MS PowerPoint, let's press Alt plus E. Now you can see added option in the current program is get selected by simply pressing Alt plus E. Now the next one is F1. F1 is the most important shortcut key for getting universal help. That means if you are working in application software, you stuck in between to take the printout or in other some task, you just press F1 and it will help you to what you have to perform next step. So this is not only for application, this is for all the application software, all the programs which install in our computer. Next is Control plus A. Now here I have created a short story, and this will tell you how to use shortcut key for selection. Now selecting means when we select something, then we are allowed to add it or do formatting with that particular part of information. So this is MS Word, and here I have pasted one picture along with the text. Now here if you want to copy anything, like this is the first line, I want to remove it, I want to copy this and paste it somewhere at the last of the story. So press Ctrl plus C. Okay, Ctrl plus A is used to select all the text document and all inserted object in the document, and this will help us to do editing before we do selection. Next is Ctrl plus X. Ctrl plus X cut the selected item. Suppose you have copied the second paragraph, and simply by clicking Ctrl plus X, press Ctrl plus X. Now you can see the selected one line is removed from the story. Now there is one more alternate way to delete the item which you have selected from the document. The first is Ctrl plus X to cut the selected item, and the second one is Ctrl plus delete. That means if you have already copied something, if you have copied any part of the story or article, anything, and you're gonna press Ctrl plus delete. Okay, you can see here Ctrl plus delete. Now the line which I have selected will get delete permanently. Now next is Ctrl plus C. So there is not a much difference between Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus insert tab. The function of both the shortcut keys are same: to copy any part of any document and paste it to the another document. So Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus insert help us to copy any part of your document. And next is the Ctrl plus V. Ctrl plus V and Shift plus INS. What is INS? INS means insert key. So again here two shortcut ways are for pasting any selected item. The first one is Ctrl plus V, and this shortcut key will help you to paste any data, whereas in Shift plus insert key it will also help us to paste the data which we have selected. Next is Home tab. Home tab function is to take the user to the beginning of the current line. Suppose I am writing a story here. So this is my story, and Home tab will help me to take to the beginning of the current line. Like this is the first line, this is the first current line, and if you will press your mouse cursor is at the last of the first para. If you want to go directly at the first space before N, then you have to press home. Okay, what will happen if we will press home? Automatically that cursor will move to the beginning of the line. Next is control plus home. Control plus home. The function of control plus home is to go to the beginning of the document. Suppose you are at the mid of any document and you want to revise whatever you have written till now. So control plus home key will take you to the beginning of the document. So control plus home key will help us to bring our cursor at the first line or the first word of the paragraph. Next is and tab. And tab go to the end of the current line. Now again coming here to the word document, and if you have already know how to create a text document, then these shortcut keys are very easy to learn and very easy to do practical in your day-to-day life. So the next shortcut key is and. What is the function of and? And means if you are working in any article or any text document, when you will wherever your cursor is, like your cursor is in the second row or your cursor is in second last row, that doesn't matter. If you will press and button from your keyboard, you will directly go to the end of the current line. Suppose this is the current line in which I am writing. Okay, and if you are here at the front of him and you will press and, directly your cursor will move to the last line. Now the next is control plus and. What is the function of control plus and? Control plus and help us to go to the end of the document. Earlier when we were pressing and button, we were going just end of the single line. But if we are talking about control plus and, then we will go to directly at the end of the document. Like I am writing here and I want to go wherever the full stop, wherever the end of this story. So I have to press control plus and. Now you can see the mouse cursor is blinking at the last line. Now the next one is shift plus home. Shift plus home highlight from current position to the beginning one. Again shift plus home. I'll show you how it is differ from another shortcut keys. Shift plus home. Shift plus home highlight from the current position to the beginning of the line. Suppose I am here and I'll press shift plus home. So in which line I am working and wherever my cursor is present, before that all the words will get highlighted. So this is the shortcut key for highlighting current position to the beginning of the line. Next is shift plus and. What is shift plus and? Shift plus and will highlight your current position to the end of the document. Now shift plus and will help us to highlight all the things which coming across this writing story. So I am putting my mouse cursor here in the between of the story and going to press shift plus and. Shift plus and. Now you can see wherever I kept my mouse cursor and pressing shift plus and, the whole line in which I was working got selected. Now the next one is control plus left arrow and control plus right arrow. Now these keys are used to move the position of the cursor. If you are moving to the right side, then you have to press control plus right key, right arrow key, and if you want to move to the left side, then you have to press control plus left arrow key.